The global agricultural research system plays a crucial role in promoting food security, reducing poverty, and protecting the environment. This system comprises various organizations, institutions, and networks that conduct research, develop technologies, and disseminate knowledge to improve agricultural productivity, sustainability, and resilience. Research in the global agricultural research system focuses on developing and disseminating technologies that can increase food production and productivity, reduce post-harvest losses, improve soil health, and enhance the resilience of farming systems to climate change and other shocks. The benefits of agricultural research extend beyond increasing food production and reducing poverty. Research also contributes to protecting the environment through the development and dissemination of environmentally sustainable agricultural practices, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, conserving biodiversity, and improving natural resource management. In conclusion, the global agricultural research system plays a vital role in promoting food security, reducing poverty, and protecting the environment. By investing in agricultural research, governments, organizations, and individuals can ensure that agriculture remains a critical engine for sustainable development and economic growth, while also mitigating the environmental impacts of agricultural activities.